We will see a problem based on truth table. Construct the truth table for the following statements. The statement is given as not P or Q. From the given problem, we should identify how many variables are involving and what are all the terms we have to find first. In this problem, two variables are involved, so therefore our combination is 2 power 2. Four combinations we have to write. So we know how to write the four combinations. First we have to write 2 t's and 2 f. Divide by this 2 and you are getting 2. So we have to write 2 combinations. So then divide this by 2. You will get the result as 1. We have to write alternate combinations T, F, T, F. We need not P. So negation we have to apply for this P column. So we can write if T is there, it is F, here T, so it is F. F is given, it is T. F is given, it is T. Next, we need the final result as not P or Q. To write this not P or Q, we have to take this as well as this and we have to apply disjunction. So T or F is T. Here F or F is F. T or T is T. T or F is T. So this is our required truth table. Next problem, not P and not Q. For this we have to construct the truth table. Here also two variables are involving. They are P, Q. So now we can write the four combination as T, T, F, F. Here T, F, T, F. So now we need to find not P as well as not Q we need. So finally we can write our conclusion as not P and not Q is our required term. First we are going to write not P. So to find the not P, take P, apply negation for this. T is given, it is F. Here also T is given, it is F. F is given, it is T. F is given, it is T. So next, to find not Q, take this Q column and apply negation for it. Here T is given F. F is given T. T is given here, it is F. The last term is F is given, we have to write T. So afterwards, taking conjunction between these two will give our required result. So F and F is F, F and T is F, T and F is F, T and T is T. So while writing, you just refer the above table. This is our required truth table for the given problem. If P then Q then P is the given problem. So here if you observe two variables are involved, so your combination is 2 power 2, 4 combinations. We can write like this: true, true, false, false. Here true, false, true, false. Now the required terms are if P then Q was required first. We can rewrite once again the P here, and finally if P then Q then P. Now I can write if P then Q term, T then T is T, T then F is F, remaining terms and all T, and P I can write as it is, that is T T F F. So why I have rewritten the term as like this means here negation, conjunction, disjunction is no need of order. When we come to conditional, we must confirm the order because T then F is only F. F then T is T. So therefore, when you are applying the conditional, we must concentrate on the order. Because of that reason only I have rewritten this P. Now T, then T is T, F, then T is T, T, then F is F, T, then F is F. That is our required truth table. P or Q and not R if and only if Q. To solve this, first we have to check how many variables are involving in this. In this problem, three variables are involving, that is P, Q, R. Our combination is 2 power 3. 8 combinations will be there. You can write P, Q, R. The 8 combination can be written as first divide by 2 and write 4. 4 combinations we have to write first, that is T, 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 T. 4 T's, then 4 F's. F, 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 F. So again divide by 2, we will get 2. 2 combinations. 2 T's, 2 F's, 2 T's, 2 F's. Again divide by this 2, you will get 1. So alternate TFs. TF, 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 TF will get. So if you observe this, first we need this PRQ term. I can write PRQ. So next if you observe, we need not R. So I can write not R. If you observe that, we need this PRQ and not R as the third term. So I can write PRQ and not R. Finally, we need this entire term because Q is already involved in this column. So we can write this as a final one. PRQ and not R biconditional. Q is our last column, that is our required answer. First I'm going to find PRQ. To find PRQ, take P column as well as Q column, apply disjunction between that. T or T is T, T or T is T, T or F is T, T or F is T, F or T is T, F or T is T, F or F is F, F or F is F. So now to find not R, take R column and apply negation for it. In the R column, it is in the form of TF. So if you take negation for that, you will get alternate false, true, false, true, you will get. Now take these two and take conjunction between that to get the next column. Therefore, P, R, Q and not R. That is T and F is F. T and T is T. T and F is F. T and T is T. T and F is F. T and T is T. F and F is F. F and T is F. Finally, to get this last column, we have to take P, R, Q and not R and this Q column, and we have to apply biconditional between that. Now, F biconditional T is F. T biconditional T is T. Here F biconditional F is T. Here T biconditional F is F. F biconditional T is F. T biconditional T is T. F biconditional F is T. F biconditional F is T. This is our required truth table.